Why do 50% of nail issues go undiagnosed? Say hello to Fungal Case Finder. Our nails are a big deal. They're on full display and nobody wants them looking unhealthy. But nail diseases are super common. Athletes, the elderly, folks with metabolic issues, they all get hit. The causes: injuries, psoriasis, age-related changes, and of course, fungal infections like onychomycosis. You know the signs: discolored, thickened, brittle nails with that unpleasant odor. Accurate diagnosis is key to effective treatment, but until now, getting a precise diagnosis has been tough. Traditional methods have been around for decades, but they often fall short. The sample isn't always good enough, and lab tests can come back negative even when there's a problem. Enter Fungal Case Finder. This game-changing tool, developed by a stellar team of microbiologists and clinicians, offers two groundbreaking solutions: software for risk assessment and a tool for getting a perfect sample every time. Fungal Case Finder is super sensitive, giving dermatologists and mycologists the accurate data they need. The result? Faster, more effective treatments for patients. No more waiting around with problem nails. Healthy, neat nails are just around the corner with Fungal Case Finder. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to a clearer diagnosis and quicker relief. Keep your nails looking and feeling their best. Join the revolution in nail fungus diagnosis today with Fungal Case Finder.